back to my channel. Before I even get into today's video, I just want to say thank you so much and welcome to all my new subs. My last video on this hairstyle that I posted on TikTok, it did pretty well, and I have a lot of amazing new family on my channel, so I just wanted to say welcome and thank you guys so much for subscribing. I got a lot of messages and requests on how I pretty much maintain this hair, the takedown, etc. So I still have it in, as you can see, and it is still going pretty strong. It's been about 2 weeks, so I'm just gonna pretty much like show you guys what I do to maintain this hair. Keep in mind, it is synthetic, it's not human hair, so it's not meant to be worn for a super long time, or don't have high expectations. Like, don't expect it to not get knotted, or you could dye, I don't know, crazy stuff, because I got a few people ask me a few of those questions, and like, you have to keep in mind, it's just a quick do, a cheap do, something you can do yourself. So, you know, it's not gonna last forever. First thing I'm gonna show you guys is pretty much how I tie it down at night. So all I do is pull it back into one, or sometimes I won't even pull it back into one, but because the hair is a little big, just to control it, it's pretty easy if you pull it back into one. And I use a satin scarf and just tie it around, and I go to sleep. Now, if you don't want to use a satin scarf and you want to use a bonnet instead, if you have one that's big enough, you could just put the bonnet on your whole head. But I do prefer pulling it back into one, because in my opinion, it just keeps the hair from like not meshing together. Second is I will oil my scalp. So usually before I go to bed, I'll do this. I'll use one of my favorite oils from Tame the Storm, and all of the products, everything I use will be in the description box, but I use this to oil my scalp, and yeah, that's about it. That's all I do at night, really. Oil my scalp and twist down my leave out. So then in the morning, when I get up, all I do is just take the scarf off, and then I fluff out the hair, and I use a little bit of this Palmer's oil. I rub some in my palm, spray some in my leave out, and I use that to unravel my leave out. So also, I wanted to let you know another trick. If you plan on wearing the hair down and you're not gonna do an updo, my leave out in the back, I will just keep it twisted to keep it in a protective style. I don't even take it out, because unless the breeze is blowing, you won't see it anyway. So I usually just leave that part twisted, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm taking out everything. But yeah, so I usually just rub some oil in it, and I just begin separating the hair, just gently separating, detangling it, fluffing it out. You don't really need like a comb or a pick, because like I said, it's synthetic hair. Combing it is pointless. It's already big, so picking it out is pointless as well. And then if you have any of the little annoying fairy knots, just get your scissors and just like trim out the knots, and it'll make the hair look a lot more cohesive and put together, and just overall fresh and new. That's all I can think of right now. The maintenance on this is pretty simple thus far. Also, I swam in this hair already, so it has gotten wet. This is how it looks after swimming. I just went swimming yesterday, and it still looks really, really good. For some cheap hair, honestly, I'm surprised. I feel like it actually looks even better, a little stale now, than when I first installed it. Oh yeah, and then also I just lay down my baby hairs, which is optional. I like to do it because it just like, it makes everything like it look more blended, like it's yours. So I like to do that as well. But that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely have a video for you guys when I'm taking this down. I might keep it in for this week, and then that's about it. And then I have another hairstyle coming for you, which I'm not gonna say yet. Comment and let me know if you can guess what I'll be doing next. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up this video.